Wait. Was that you? Thorin? Thorin.
Sit down. Did you eat? Look at the garbage. There's a pizza box over there. Did you dig in the garbage again? Look at me, Buffy. Look at me. Did you? Huh? No, sit down. I want to talk to you. Sit down. Did you eat the pizza box? You did. You did eat the pizza box.
You know, sometimes you have bad habits. Do you? Do you have bad habits? Sometimes you do. Like, you lick everything all the time, non-stop. Are you guilty? Bandit, look at that. Look at Daddy.
Did you eat my crayon, Ben? Was it you? Bobby, did you eat this crayon? Was it you? Ben, did you eat my crayon? You sure look guilty.
Lexi. Did you do that? Did you do that? Did you dig into the grass? Lexi. Lexi. Why did you do that? Did you dig into the grass?
Did you chew this up? Did you chew this up? Were you a bad girl? Look at that guilty face.
Who did that? Did I say Pa? Bruno. Bruno, stop. Who did that? Huh? Who did that, Bruno? Huh? Bruno. Who did that? Huh? Bruno.
You look really sad this morning. Did you do something wrong? Come here. Come on.
Who did this? Who did this? Einstein, was it you? Rideau? Did you do this? Rideau. Einstein, who was it? Who did it?